lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to grill chicken for a buffet. Before we go on, please subscribe, it's free. Like and share this video, leave a comment as well. So I have this soft chicken thigh and I'm going to divide it into two, wash it clean and then have them in my saucepan. I'm just adding black pepper, complete seasoning. I'm adding white pepper also to it, and then all pepper seasoning. Yes, and I'm going to also add salt to it, and then I'm going to blend this bell pepper seeds with onion, garlic, ginger, chili and spring onions. I bet you it seasons the chicken very well. It adds some extra taste, so try and then add the seeds of bell pepper. So I also added mixed spices like rosemary, star anise and those natural spices also to it. Okay, so let's cover and then give it time to cook. Now I'm not boiling this 100%. Do you get it? Because I'm going to grill it, I'll boil it like 60 to 70%. So I decided to add a little bit of salt also to it. Yes, now you can also decide to just apply your ingredients on the chicken and then grill it straight, but I decided to choose this steaming or boiling method because I wanted everything to be quick. Yes, so and also get the seasoning on the chicken very well. Do you get it? So I will steam it, cover for some few minutes again, and then that is it. So at this point it's okay. I will take it off fire and we are going to grill this. Do you get it? Please like and share this video, leave a comment. And so I have my rack here, and I also have tomato sauce and also some of the stock from the chicken, mixing it together. I'm going to apply it on my chicken and then I will arrange them on my rack very well. You see, because I didn't cook or I didn't boil it 100%, you can see that it's still hard even though this is a soft chicken. So I'm going to grill this in my gas oven, set it low for it to take time and grill. So this is it. I did it for 15 to 20 minutes and I'm going to use this for a buffet. So this is the buffet that I use the chicken for. We served jollof rice. I have the recipe there. Wache, I have the recipe. Turmeric rice too, I have the recipe. And then we added some Ghana salad, also pumpkin and sweet potato salad also to it, and also some fried kelewele. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.